Ever wonder why everyone's talking about blockchain these days? Well, let's change that. You've probably heard it mentioned, maybe by that one friend who won't stop going on about Bitcoin. But blockchain is much bigger than just crypto. And Doodleize is here to make you understand it perfectly. Before blockchain, we had banks. You walk in, wait in line, hand over your cash, and trust they'll keep it safe. But what do you get in return?
Fees.
Ever paid $35 for a $2 candy bar because of an overdraft fee? Yeah, that's where banks hold the power. With banks, you're trusting them to be honest and reliable. But what if they lose your money or charge crazy fees? That's why a lot of people have trust issues with banks. Ever panic about whether your paycheck actually went through? What if you didn't need a middleman like a bank? That's where blockchain comes in. It makes sure everyone's on the same page. No middleman required. No shady fees, no surprises. Just you, the system, and a whole lot of secure math. A blockchain is literally a chain of blocks, but digital. Each block is packed with information like transactions or data. Once a block is added to the chain, it's locked in forever. No erasing or changing it later. It's like writing with a permanent marker. Once a block is added, it's locked tighter than Fort Knox. The data inside is encrypted, meaning it's sealed off with a code that only you and the network can unlock. If anyone tries to mess with it, the whole network will know immediately. The beauty of blockchain is that it's decentralized. No one person or company controls it. Instead, everyone who's part of the network follows the same rules. It's like trusting your phone's calculator. You know it'll get the answer right every time. When you make a transaction, a new block is created. It gets filled with all the transaction details, sealed up, and added to the chain. Once it's added, there's no erasing or undoing. It's like writing in ink, permanent and unchangeable. Before a block gets added, the whole network has to agree that it's valid. It's called consensus. Imagine your friends all agreeing on where to eat. Once everyone's on board, the block gets locked in and added to the chain. No debates and no drama. In blockchain, mining means solving complex math puzzles to add new blocks to the chain. The reward? Cryptos like Bitcoin. It's like being paid for solving the world's hardest Sudoku puzzle, except the payout is much, much better. Blockchain is immutable. Once a block is added, it's there forever. No edits, no changes. It's like writing in stone, except it's digital. And if anyone tries to tamper with it, they'd need to change it on every computer in the network. Good luck with that. Blockchain isn't just about Bitcoin. It's used in finance, healthcare, voting, and even tracking the food supply. It's a digital tool that keeps everything transparent and secure. So yeah, blockchain is way more than just cryptocurrency. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, we'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button and subscribe to our Doodleize channel. We have lots of exciting surprises and even giveaways coming soon just for you. And one of those is coming up later, so stick around and keep watching. Artists are using blockchain to sell digital art as NFTs. These are one-of-a-kind digital pieces, verified by blockchain. It's like owning a rare painting, except it's digital, and no one can fake it or take it away from you. In gaming, blockchain lets players buy, sell, and trade in-game items for real value. No more losing your rare items when the game ends. It's like turning your digital treasures into real-world investments, all thanks to blockchain. Blockchain can track products from factory to shelf. Every step is logged, so there's no room for errors or fraud. It's like a GPS for your favorite snack, making sure it gets to you without any detours or surprises along the way. In healthcare, blockchain can keep your medical records safe. It's like a digital vault that only you and your doctor have access to. No hackers, no mistakes, just secure, encrypted data keeping you and your info protected. Imagine voting from your phone, knowing your vote is secure and counted. Blockchain can make elections transparent, safe, and tamper-proof. It's democracy powered by tech, no matter where you are or when you vote. Artists can now sell their music directly to fans using blockchain, cutting out middlemen like record labels. It's a fairer way to share music and support artists. Think of it as giving the power back to the creators, one beat at a time. In real estate, blockchain makes buying a house faster and more secure. Ownership and contracts are recorded digitally, so no paperwork gets lost. It's like buying a house with the push of a button, no stress involved. Imagine getting a degree that's permanently recorded on the blockchain. No more lost diplomas or fake certificates. Employers can instantly verify your qualifications with just a click. It's like having your degree set in digital stone. With blockchain, your personal data is encrypted and secure. You control who can see it and how it's used. No more companies selling your info without your permission. Think of it as your own private, digital fortress. Smart contracts on the blockchain automatically execute when conditions are met. No lawyers, no middlemen. It's like setting up an agreement that takes care of itself. And of course, it's all recorded and verified on the blockchain. Blockchain lets you manage your digital identity securely. No more worrying about hacked passwords or stolen identities. You control your own ID, and it's as secure as it gets. It's like having a digital passport that only you can unlock. Insurance claims can be automated with blockchain, making payouts faster and more reliable. Here at Doodleize, we like to keep things simple, so think of it like this: no more waiting weeks for a claim to process. It's done quickly, and you're back to normal in no time. Blockchain-powered crowdfunding lets you see exactly where your money goes. Every donation or investment is tracked, so you know it's being spent wisely. It's transparency like never before. No more wondering if your contribution is making a difference. Blockchain mining uses a lot of energy, but new eco-friendly solutions are being developed. Green blockchain is on the rise, helping reduce the environmental footprint of this technology. It's progress, one green step at a time. Charities are using blockchain to ensure every donation reaches its destination. No more wondering if your money is really helping. Here at Doodleize, we love that it makes giving transparent and impactful. Every penny can be tracked, verified, and secured. Self-driving cars can use blockchain to share data securely, helping them drive safely and efficiently. It's like giving each car its own secure network to make better decisions on the road. Less traffic, fewer accidents, more safety. Fashion designers are using blockchain to prove their products are authentic. From luxury bags to sneakers, blockchain can track an item's journey from factory to store, ensuring it's the real deal. It's like a digital stamp of authenticity. Blockchain isn't just about Bitcoin. It's revolutionizing finance. From managing investments to transferring money across borders. It's faster, cheaper, and more secure than traditional methods, making finance smoother for everyone involved. So next time someone brings up blockchain, you can confidently jump in and say, "I got this. I watched Doodleize. Thanks for sticking around. Stay curious. Keep doodling with us here at Doodleize, where we make tech simple and fun. See you soon." Hey, before we wrap up, here's something fun. Want to be the star of our next doodle video? Drop a comment below telling us what wild or unique topic you'd love to see yourself or a friend, relative, or even a group involved in. The winner comment will be brought to life in our next Doodleize video. Thanks for watching and for being part of the Doodleize family. Your support really means the world to us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned for more tips and surprises from Doodleize. We're excited to see what you come up with. Isn't it great to learn new things every day? We love doing it. If you have just liked this fascinating content, here is another great new video you should watch. Don't miss this one out.